Hello, welcome to Riding the Market for my daily summary. It's Monday, the 30th of September, and another good day for me. Got all winning trades again today, so nice follow up to Friday. I'll just quickly go through the trades. So what I saw was this level is Friday's volume point of control, and it was a massive level today. We rejected it, like around it, off it multiple times today. So very important level. If people were watching that, we came in the morning for my London session. We've been running up the whole day, and what I saw when we first started is we'd swept this high, which was the high of the day or something like that. Yeah, it was high of day. Not it was high since midnight essentially. So the high of the current day. We had I think Asia buy side was here, but I focused on the actual high of the day since midnight Central Time. So we swept it, came back down, and then formed a new high. And when you form a new high, in my opinion, when you sweep a level and you form the second high and then you start reversing, that's almost always a very good sign that the move will continue in that direction. So I got in on this candle here. So we'd come up and we'd sort of essentially this trend line that was formed from this low, say up there, we'd broken it and we inverted this bullish fair value gap. So I thought, for some reason, I didn't wait for the price to return to this IFVG. I had a feeling that we weren't going to return to it. So that's just intuition. That's just time in the market. So I just got in as soon as this candle closed. I put my entry here at the this candle's the body of this candle, the low of the body of this candle, and I got tapped in. No drawdown at all, and then it just moved in my direction for my first trade of the day. That was around 90 ticks, so really great start. Then in the New York session, so this was a bit different. I actually got the direction of the trade wrong, but it was still a winning trade for me. So what I'd seen is we'd inverted the lowest bullish fair value gap, lowest bearish fair value gap, sorry. So we'd inverted it, and also see how we rejected off it later. So before the session open, inverted this, pushed up, inverted this one, consolidated a bit, pushed further up. So what I was looking for was a continuation, but there was nothing that happened for me at the beginning of the session. So we pumped up. This was huge candles, really difficult to work with. Pushed up more to the volume point of control from Friday, and then we rejected off it. We pushed down. What I was looking for was a continuation long. So I entered my position here with a stop at this low here. It was a 100 tick stop, looking for a continuation long. I thought we had broken structure to the upside, so we were going to come back to this level, move around this level, consolidate here, and then move higher. Instead, what happened was we came to my entry, took my order, hit my take profit, and then almost immediately reverse. So I got the direction completely wrong, but still a winning trade for me. So I'm really happy with that. I followed my strategy. That's what my strategy called for. So it was a winning trade. You can't really doubt your strategy when you win from it, even if the direction was wrong. It's still a winning trade. So essentially, what we did then, we haven't tapped into this this IFEG at this point. So what we did, we came down to it, tapped into it, and then pushed higher all the way to, again, Friday's volume point of control. Once more, we rejected from it. So the lunch session ended here, and I just got in almost immediately, pulled back a little bit, and then I put my stop here, entered here, and wrote it down for 100 ticks again. We'd inverted this bullish fair value gap, closed above it, but then pushed back below it with a nice solid red candles with those top wicks. So I got in thinking that we'd continue, and we did. So yeah, really nice trade. I knew that we had this low here, and we had VWAP sitting around here, so there was some risk to this trade, but it worked out, and I'm always happy with that. Even if there is risk, even if you can see things going in a different direction, you should always take the trades. I've said before that you have to be both patient and be willing to take your trades as they turn up, regardless of risk, regardless of what could occur. If it's within your strategy, take that move. The risk should be controlled by what where your stop is and what you're willing to risk, whether it's a mental stop or a hard stop. Whatever that is, that should be what controls your risk. If you see a trade that's within your strategy and you see an entry, you should take it always. That's what I believe. And I took it, came down, easy trade for me, and just a real nice end to the day. Another thing to note about all my trades today, they were fairly big trades. They were all 100 ticks or more. Oh, sorry, not more. 100 ticks or close. So that's why my profits are so high. It's not because I was specifically going for 100 ticks in my trades. It's just where the stops were. It was just a wild sort of market with necessity for bigger stop losses. That's the only reason why these profits are high compared to most days where it'd be close to 1,200, but with 3 winning trades. But yeah, all in all, really good day. Good start to the week, and yeah, looking forward to continuing this. So yeah, I'll call it here. Thanks for watching if you did see it. Bye now.